All right, here we go.
No, everyone gets one right now because.
Yes, everybody get one. Blizzard of 2011. Boy, look at all this snow out here. This is a residential street. We got the kids snowboarding. Snowboarding in the front of the house. All right, yeah, Aiden up. Okay, watch out, Brandon. Let Aiden come down. Liam, y'all supposed to take one turn at a time. There you go. Here we go. Cool. Wipe out.
Okay. Brendan, you go now. You go. You go, boy.
Come on, Brandon.
And Brandon, I'm not moving. We're buying the house. We know we're not moving. We know we're buying the house. They already accepted our offer. So you're moving? Nope, we're staying. Good job, Brandon. Yeah, my turn. And this one?
You talking about right there, Liam? You guys said.
I know, it's good. It's harder though. I like this one. Because I like snowboarding.
All right, we got Liam up. Oh, that was Brandon. Come on, Brandon, let Liam come down. All right. Good job. Good job.
Hey, Liam.
Now we got Aiden. Oh, we got wipe out.
Wipe out. What's the wipe out? Watch out, Liam.
Little Brandon and wiped out. All right, let's go cruise the neighborhood. See what else out here. Boy, look at all of this snow. Look at that. Look how high that snow is at Durango. It is bad out here. And right there, there got to be at least 2 feet of snow. Look at this. Give you an idea of how high that snow is. If you know anything about Durango, you can see it comes all the way almost up to the hood. It's almost level to the hood. That's a little bit over 2 feet. Hear them dogs back there. Let's go see the doggies. All right. Whoa, look at the dog here. Whoa. Look at the doggy. We got Daisy on cam. Hey, Daisy. Hey, Daisy. How you doing, Daisy? You enjoying this young snow? Daisy doing her dance for you guys. Daisy do the Daisy dance. Then we got little Coco back there, wilding out. These some Chicago dogs, they like the winter. And Daisy. Daisy a little poodle. Coco right here. Coco is a pit mixed with Timberwolf. She's a beast, but she's also friendly and lovable. Coco. Oh my God, look at all this snow. Hey, Coco. Come here. Sit down. Yes, that's my baby. That's little Coco Lotta right there. Hey. Just getting shots on this Blizzard 2011. This is just a residential. We're gonna take it to the streets later, see how many cars trapped out there. Hey, it's a lot of them out there too, trust me. They say stay off the road if you don't have to, but we going out there anyway. Show y'all what's going on. Till then, catch you later. Hey Daisy, do the Daisy dance. Hey Daisy, hey, there you go.